Hey guys, it's Melody Lane here, and some of you are having trouble with Safari using my links or maybe links from other content creators. If you're having a trouble with the link, for some reason I'm not having any trouble with Safari, and it may be because I haven't updated my computer yet, but that could be it. So if you're clicking on a link and you're not getting to where you need to go and you are using Safari, you could switch to another browser. But if you don't want to, go up here to Safari. This is on a Mac. I think Safari is only on a Mac. And go to Preferences and then click on Websites, click on Content Blockers. If you have something here, like if you have the Cricut website open or any other website open, it should list them here. And click on when visiting other websites, click it off so you are not having any content blocked. And it should take you straight to the link after you set that up. So if you are having a problem clicking through Safari, turn on content blockers and turn them off. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.